All right, so we are at Disney's Pop Century Resort in the 80s building. This is going to be building number 9, room 9260. This is the cheapest room that you can get at Disney's Pop Century, so we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a tour. First things first, we're going to walk in. We've got a little table and seating area. Behind this big, massive wall is actually a pull-down bed. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. Over here, if you're familiar with like Alexa, this is Disney's version of that. Instead of saying Alexa, you say, "Hey Disney," and it activates and does all kind of cool things and interactive things and tells story to your kids or gives you information about the parks. Pretty neat. We do have one outlet next to that plus 2 USBs, so that's going to be good. We do have some storage space right there. Not super deep, but you know, something for a shelf or maybe a phone or shoes or whatever you want to put there. Over here, we do have a cooler. It's not a refrigerator, but if you have things that are already cold, it's going to keep those cold. Right above that, it looks like we have a drawer that we could put some snacks or anything like that in there. Let's see what we have here. We've got Joffrey's coffee for this little tiny coffee maker. Twining's teas. We've got some International Delight Original Creamer. Sweet and low and sugar. A couple outlets here. Have some cups. And, of course, the bucket for ice. Thermostat was set to 61 in January, and this is where our airflow is going to come from, is over here. So if you do like it cooler, I would suggest this bed area over here. Over here, we've got a dresser set. Looks like we've got 3 drawers. See how deep they are. Not super deep, but it's going to be enough to put some basic clothes, underwear, undershirts, shirts, shorts, things like that. We've got 2 outlets here plus 2 USBs. On this side, another 2 outlets plus 2 USBs. We do have a television that's welcoming us. In here, we have a safe plus 2 shelves and a Bible. Let's see. I'm always wondering if there's actually money in these Bibles. I don't know if you've ever seen those TikToks, but no money in this Bible. So put that right there. Then here we've got a queen-size bed. It's going to be just fine. Nothing spectacularly fancy, but it's going to do absolutely fine. Mickey Mouse at the headboard. We do have lights. These are individually controlled, so we can turn off these, or we can turn off those, or we can turn off both of them. We do have a phone, 2 more outlets plus 2 more USBs. Love how many USBs are in here. And again, some more shelving that's over there. And then similarly over here, light switch plus 2 outlets plus 2 USBs and some storage. Beautiful. There is a sliding barn door that goes, hey there, sliding barn door that goes into the bathroom area. It is going to only be a single sink. Over here to the right, we do have some spots for some things to hang up. 2 more shelf areas there. We've got 2 deeper ones over here. These are probably the biggest shelving areas that I've seen. Some washcloths, extra toilet paper, tissues, ironing board if you care. Hair dryer in here, plus an iron. That iron looks like it's from like the 1980s, so pretty appropriate for the 80s building. Super close up. And of course, sea salt bath soap. This used to be the, what was it, H2O products, but it's just the generic Disney Resorts, but I'm pretty sure it's the exact same stuff. And then in here we've got the toilet and a standing shower. Look at this faucet head, though. Holy moly. We've got the overhead plus the handheld. I'm down with that. I've never seen that in a value resort, so pretty cool. And everything's pretty clean. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then we've got all of our towels. Something we did miss coming back into the room, right across from the bed. Places to hang things up. It's going to be a little bit rainy while we're here, so sure this is going to be very much utilized. We're just going to have to put a towel. Hey, look, 2 more outlets. Ton of power in here. An absolute ton of power. And then let's check this out. Hang on a second. Let's move these chairs out of the way. Let's move this chair out of the way. And we're going to pull this down. Wouldn't you know it? It's another bed. Pluto, Mickey Mouse, another bed. I'm super hyped. This is a great room. We paid about $140 here at the very start of January. This is going to be spectacular. Nothing over the top fancy, but it's going to do exactly what we need it to for a couple of days at the park. Let me know if you ever stayed at the Pop Century. Is this something that would work for your family? What do you like about it? What do you dislike about it? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that thumbs up, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you.